Hi friends, welcome back to BR Media, and today our topic is on heart and how it produces blood to our whole body. The heart is a muscular organ in most animals which provides blood through blood vessels of the circulatory system. Blood provides the body with oxygen, nutrients, as well as assisting in the removal of metabolic waste. In human, the heart is exactly located at the center of the lungs and slightly towards the left. The heart is a complex pumping organ. If we gradually dissolve into a section of heart, we observe that it receives deoxygenated blood in its right atrium. Then the truss-tubed valve opens, pushing the remaining blood into the right ventricle. This in turn pushes the blood into the pulmonary artery. Now, this pulmonary artery produces to the lungs. Now, what happens in the lungs? Along with the oxygen molecules, the deoxygenated blood flows into the bronchioles to the alveolus. Carefully observe this alveoli. Let us clearly dissolve into a section of our alveolar chamber. In this alveolar chamber, you can find small pores. Now, the oxygen we can find are deoxygenated blood with RBCs flowing, and the oxygen molecules get mixed with the RBCs. Now, these RBCs, when they get mixed with the oxygen molecules, the oxygenation is done. Now, what about these carbon dioxide molecules? These carbon dioxide molecules are absorbed into the pores, and now all the carbon dioxide molecules get absorbed into the holes. Now, the carbon dioxide molecules flows into the bronchioles. All the carbon dioxide molecules from different bronchioles pass into the bronchi. Now, this bronchi releases into the trachea and released from our body as a waste product. What about our blood? The oxygenated blood receives into the heart from the pulmonary vein. Now, this pulmonary vein gets filled with oxygenated blood in the right atrium and opens the bicuspid valve. Due to ventricle contraction, the blood flows into the aorta, passing the blood to various parts of our body. Now, this oxygenated blood from aorta passes to various parts of our human body through a small veins called arteries. Now, what controls this heart? Interesting, no? The beating of heart is controlled by impulses. Under normal circumstances, these impulses are generated by heart's pacemaker. Thank you, friends. If you like, share, subscribe. Thank you.